so to your back.
Yeah, you know what time it is, man. You know what it is, man. You know these like motherfucking man. You know, you know it like this. You want to see a nigga? I think they can. I can see y'all niggas do. Ain't nothing to put behind this motherfucker. Yeah, man. I know what it is, man.
That box on there.
What? Nobody give a goddamn. Is that a flash or what is that? Is that really on that bitch or is it? I just can't see it. Hold on, let me get some other light. Hold on. Yeah, I think they can see it, nigga. Alright, man. That's how it is, man. But the motherfucking, we about to try some motherfucking spicy and nuggets, you know what I'm saying? I'll try spicy nuggets from McDonald's, you know? It's dumb there, hello. Alright. What about to see what's talking about, man? I hope it's good.
Hey, look, this motherfucker is weak.
Alright. So I got my shit, I got some burger sauce, but I'm gonna try it without nothing first, you feel me? You gotta see what it's talking about.
Damn, what about you? Hey, Kylie, your sweet and sour was in.
Hey, social media, D-Slap, you know what I'm saying? D-Slap, actually. You know what I'm saying? Fuck my new songs, you know. We got Fighting Demons. Oh, we gotta turn that shit on copyright. Fighting Demons and shit. What else?
Slow.
Yeah, but the fight name is there. Black. No, what's called the beat characters. You know, this is just such a B $, lat. You know what I'm saying? Or D slap with a $, you know what I'm saying? And you gonna see both of them songs. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Anyway, what you over here doing, nigga? You fucking fiend. Alright. Anyway, alright. Here we go. This is with nothing. So you gotta taste the raw dog. Shut up. Hold on. It's like a fucking chicken chunk. No cap.
Fucking good.
Did you get some spicy?
Nah, she got early.
Hey, try one, bro. Maybe it tastes like a chicken chunk, cuz. This is like with sauce, though. It tastes exactly like a chicken chunk, though. These is fucking chicken chunk. Y'all never had chicken chunk from Walmart?
We was just at Walmart.
They probably out of business. I ain't seen them in a long time. I mean, I know that. Never know, but anyway, alright. So without it, it's good, you know, it's like ching chong. But then with the sauce, this motherfucker go up. This is good. It's hot though. It's actually spicy as fuck though.
Oh god. Jesus. I had a homie that said these motherfuckers weren't spicy.
That nigga capped out. He ain't really.
Like I said, he ain't had no good batch of these bitches, bro.
Or he ain't really have none. He's standing.
Nah, he was in there eating that motherfucker on Facebook. What?
Oh, he cut me. Bro, this shit hot as fuck though. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, like I said, he probably just didn't have a good batch. That motherfucker. They ain't seasoned that bitch like none.
Really good. Fuck.
God, we just went to the blackest McDonald's in the white neighborhood ever.
Oh, nigga, had my damn fries had seasoned salt on that bitch. From McDonald's. That's crazy.
Them niggas was in there behaving on some Popeye's behavior. You had a black man and fighting with a white woman.
Oh, we talking about Chips Ahoy. What was it? Chips Ahoy, what was it?
That was slurry. I wanted that.
They had that. How the fuck do you know about it? I never seen that in my fucking life.
But I pulled up to McDonald's. Across the street from my job. And them niggas did not serve me. Fuck them.
Wow, nigga, so what you
Bro, I'm sitting there at the drive-thru and not one nigga said shit to me the whole time.
It was closed?
No!
They wasn't fucking with you.
No, excursion.
Excursion.
Motherfuckers didn't say shit. And I know they was there because the motherfuckers right in front of me.
That shit spicy as hell. If they got a kick to it though. It's like spicy shit, bro.
That's right. That's McDonald's. That's like doing like 4 for 4. Wendy's gonna shut down, bro.
Damn it, Wendy's out of fucking business. That's 4 for 4. What?
Somebody at that group chat was doing, and they don't say 4 for 4, they say 4 for 4.
Yeah, I think 4 for 4.
Oh God, 4 for 4. All the same.
They really arguing yesterday who's gonna be better, Wendy's or Burger King.
They really how you say it right here. It's FOFAFO. 4 for 4.
Shit, sometimes FO.
4 for 4.
4 for 4.
It's 4 for 4. No cap. But yeah, that shit bussin'.
That motherfucker is good as fuck.
This shit bussin'. I like this shit. I don't know. The regular nuggets better. The regular nuggets way better, of course. But these is good hell too. Like, I understand say way better. Like even. No. I don't know, but I love the regular nuggets. But these bitches good as hell too. But it's hot though.
Let's do a chicken nugget challenge.
How many? How many?
Alright, see, out of us 3, who gonna eat the most?
I'll probably do some bitches.
Kylie just gonna be there for the meal.
Like, I'm on.
Shit.
We do a fry challenge, bro. Like, each of us get 2 large fries. I'll probably die off that shit.
Huh?
I'll probably die off that shit.
I thought you said you'd die behind that shit. Nigga, I was like, what? I'm like, your ass busting that bitch down.
This shit
You're
really
not fucking around.
She's doing something. I'm sorry. What I say? No, you said, I know what you said. You said you want to go around and get 5 different places and try it. And then what?
And then
oh my god. That shit hot as hell though, y'all. Gone. What the hot say? They be like, gone. You just was talking. Basically. This shit hot as fuck though.
you know she do that though. From time to time. Push that Sprite.
Damn, my shit on me. I just started that bitch. Without drinking, I go.
So what's your next song?
I don't know. I got so many. I was making
People
shit.
really be texting you talking about some you sleep when they call you, so you know
I'm gonna get on the track.
Oh man. You should get on that country shit I was making.
Hook only.
Alright. Oh, nigga, that country shit. Oh, hit that shit.
Kylie ass just be talking. She don't care if anybody listens, nigga. She, man, I just feel like, man.
She be talking about
what?
shit.
I know.
She be talking about shit, boy.
She really just be like, man.
We got some tea in the house. I'm drinking that shit.
See, I tell you, man. John Cena, I just don't think he black no more.
Yeah.
What?
John Cena, I mean, it's crazy because I can actually see him though. When people always say they can't see him, I be seeing his ass though.
Whatever comes in my head, I'm gonna say it.
Regardless of if anybody's listening or not, Kylie is just gonna say it.
He a big scary white man. Big scary man. Big scary. This nigga got 4 of them. Wait, 5. He got 4 charges in this bitch. Like you could really like charge 4 shits. You want to be an Uber driver or something? That guy got you. You need a job? You need one too? Stupid ass.
Nah, but like, what if we like went on like a road trip?
Exactly. We need to go on one to Georgia.
You right, bro.
I said.
Why the hell? I ain't even gonna say.
What the hell? What? Why did I got this one going like this?
Why the hell you got a basketball? Wait, is that all the teams? Or most of them? Because that can't be all the teams.
Hell no.
Do that.
It can't be all the teams.
It's not.
What's the point of putting them teams on there
No,
then?
I hate when people do that.
What?
I
This
think it's just.
number. This number just FaceTimed me. And it didn't even ring. It hung up.
Because they mean to face
Because they meant to. They just want you to call them back.
So I'm about to call back.
Because they don't want to seem like they thirsty.
I don't be fucking with them fucking
I don't even know who it is.
with that phone tag shit like that. Suck my dick, you can damn nigga blocked.
I don't call back though.
I don't even know who it is. I don't got their number saved.
I'm saying if I call back and you don't answer, I'll beat the shit out of you.
Or if I sit there and watch him call me and I'll be like, I know who it is, I'll text him like, bro, hold on. Or I'll just text him and be like, what? Or who is this? Because I don't answer my phone, bro. I don't give a fuck.
I don't say people's numbers.
Because I don't like talking to people. Man, text me. I'm opposite. And you text me, you get a response faster. Man, don't call me because I'm not answering that bitch.
It depends on who it is.
Do y'all
For
say
me.
people's numbers?
I can't talk that
Do I
good.
say people numbers?
Yeah.
I mean, depending on who it is.
I don't say numbers.
Well-
Some people just be calling me, and I'm like,
If it's like a random motherfucker, like
Yeah.
not random, but like somebody I don't really fuck with like that, nah.
My motherfucker don't even get my number because unless I fuck with you like that. So and that else nigga, I'm texting you on some other shit. I'm not texting you from my phone, cause nerd ass nigga. I ain't about to be fucking texting your bitch head all my fucking day.
but I let people get my number so you can hate call.
I do that shit as well, but I don't give them my number per se. I just give them my damn.
Nigga, I ain't do that shit in forever. Man.
That's your ID.
Who the hell still plays iPhone games, nigga? iMessage games.
I really don't, but I do now.
Nigga, I did when our nigga used to be in school, nigga. Fuck.
I'll post on Twitter or my Instagram.
Nigga, when I was playing with y'all.
It was me and Dexter.
Exactly. Nigga, I was still in school, nigga. Yes, I was, nigga. Yes, I was, nigga. Don't try to tell me,
Say, what are
nigga.
these niggas talking about?
Huh?
He
Exactly.
was at work.
Huh?
He was at work.
I'm always at work. Okay, and so?
Nigga, fuck that, nigga. Because I didn't, nigga. Fuck.
I feel like you did, because like right now it's getting real.
This shit good as hell. I just got 2 drinks, bro. Them shits,
You did?
I know I didn't. That's not a drink. That is a great beverage. My nigga, what the fuck you talking about?
How do you indulge it?
You swallow that bitch?
Otherwise known as drinking it.
No,
stupid,
because nigga, that's how you
dumbass
drink
boy.
food, you stupid idiot. They drink food because you swallow food.
Bro, it's a liquid.
Okay, you can chew liquid.
You can't chew liquid.
Exactly,
I mean, you
nigga.
can chew liquid, but what the fuck?
Looking real dumb.
Fuck.
He's gonna be looking real dumb trying to chew liquid.
What the fuck is you looking at, nigga? I'll beat your ass.
That pissed me off, nigga.
I felt this nigga looking at me because I'm like, what the fuck is you staring at, brother? But the money, dang, I got shit on my shirt, on my jacket, on my clean ass Nike Tech. This shit costs about $120.
Telling this nigga in hoop dreams.
Hell no, fuck who. I got a porn star, I be a porn star. And that shit was busting.
Freakum dresses.
That shit was busting, bro. What's talking about this? Nah, shit. Wait, man, that bitch fucking. I don't know shit about them, boy. Cause I don't need you, nigga. That shit's good though. I know a little bit now. I ain't eating some fries. Them bitches too greasy, boy. They put them bitches in their old ass skillet, boy.
Them motherfuckers do got seasoning salt on that bitch.
Yeah, them bitches hella seasoned,
Niggas
boy.
ran out of salt.
Them bitches got seasoning salt on them bitches. That's why it's so good. But them bitches was greasy, boy.
I swear I can eat fried chicken anywhere.
That's just good.
So you fuck with them that damn chicken nugget? You fuck with that damn chicken nugget?
Do it again.
That shit was good, bro. Yeah.
All my food is good.
Cut the camera off, man.
Cut the motherfucker off, man.
Cut the camera off, man.
Nah, cut
Y'all
that
ain't
bitch
talking.
off.
Y'all ain't talking about shit no more.
Fuck it. Shit. Well, that's the motherfucking video. Well, I know it's a video. Obviously, you know it's a video because nigga went. because obviously, you know it's a video because nigga it's gonna end. Nigga, you like, oh, that's it. Duh, motherfucker.
No
It's
shit.
over. Niggas don't know why I say that shit. Niggas, fuck, nigga, like, comment, subscribe. Do what y'all want to do. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, these slacks.